A very good evening to all of you and a very, very warm welcome to Bajos Exam Prep IS Division. Namaste ji, namaste Mrugna. Hello Vivek. Good evening. Shamil, good evening to SB sir also. Good evening Jayashri, Balaraju, Sameen, I'm good. Aap kaise ho? How are you doing? Good evening Jhansi Rani, Kamalpal, Sheikh, Santosh, Gurinder, Sat Shri Akal. Good evening Chenna. Har Har Mahadev Taran. Garvit is great. Shiva, good afternoon. Sorry, good evening. Vishal, hello. So let them do, Vijay. Don't let people become lethargic. All right. Good evening, Sameen, Tehseen, Santosh. My day was brilliant. How about yours? Good evening, Gopal, Dola Govinda, Jai Shri Ram. No, it's not enough, Nugna. You should, the topics which are taught to you, the basics, and obviously even the CSAT questions I'm covering. But you need more practice. You can solve through the book which is given to you by Bajus as well as R.S. Agarwal for maths and R.S. Agarwal for reasoning. Take mock tests, take sectional tests, then only you will get a good grip over the concepts. All right. Good evening, Karthik, Akanksha. Yeah, much better, Virinder. Much better. I'm feeling much better. Chalo ji, let's start then. All right. You tell me, Vijay, 12 men complete a work in 20 hours. So 18 men will complete the same work in how many hours? More or less? First, tell me this. 12 men can complete a job in 20 hours. So 18 men. So the number of men has increased. So the time taken will be more or less? Less. So less by more. That's it. 12 is less than 18. All right. Into RHS. That's how it goes. So this shall become 2 by 3. So it is 40 by 3. This is what you will get. All right. You can convert it into fractions. All right, guys, let's start. We have a topic with us that is time and distance. You know what is the relation between time and distance called? Speed. Yes. All right. So speed, is nothing but it is the distance traveled by time taken. So remember this formula as S is equal to d by t. All right. And then these two can exchange also. T is equal to d by s. Right. Then these two can get multiplied as well. All right. So d is equal to ts. Now, mostly this formula is going to be used in abundance because in most of the questions, I'm not saying every question, but in most of the questions, they ask you in how much time this distance will be covered, kind of a thing. All right. So T is equal to D by S. Please note right now. Very fast, very fast. Good evening to everyone. Please hurry up, occupy your seats in the front. I don't want any backbenchers. Come on, everybody. We have hundreds of seats in the front. So I hope this is noted down. This is noted down. You have noted this down. You have noted this down. Please tell me, please confirm. Please confirm. Please confirm. Hello? Yes. Now I get your yes. Lovely. 5 times. Okay. So this is exactly what I was talking about, guys. Speed is equal to distance by time. Distance is speed into time. Time is distance by speed. All right. Now see, what you got to understand is that if I take 1 kilometer by 1 hour, see, kilometer per hour happens to be the unit of speed. Okay. Distance is in kilometers and then time is in hours. Now you know that in 1 kilometer, there are 1,000 meters, and in 1 hour, there are 3,600 seconds. Okay. So let us cancel the zeros here. What we get is 10 by 36. Both these figures are divisible by 2. So this goes by 5, this goes by 18. So please remember that 1 kilometer per hour is 5 by 18 meters per second. Right? So to convert kilometer per hour into meters per second, at times what we require, maybe the speed is given to you in kilometers per hour, but we require to convert it into meters per second. Then what do you do? You multiply kilometer per hour with 5 by 18. All right. And obviously, inversely, to convert meters per second into kilometer per hour, multiply meters per second with reciprocal of 5 by 18, that is 18 by 5. Get it? So example, I'm giving you an example. If you have 18 kilometer per hour, if you have to convert this into meters per second, what will you do? 18 into 5 by 18. These two cancel. It is 5 meters per second. So let us say if you have to convert 10 meters per second into kilometers per hour, what would you do? You will multiply this with 18 by 5. 5 twos are 10. So you will get 36 kilometer per hour. But as usual, I would advise you to memorize some of the figures so that you don't have to work that much during the examination. So save as much time as you can so that you have maximum number of attempts. For that, obviously, there is something called preparation that you have to indulge in, right? This is a prefix pre. Pre means before, beforehand. Par is becoming equal. So beforehand, we are becoming equal to the requirement of our status during the examination. That is called preparation, in layman's language. So try to memorize these. This is a table I've given to you. So 18 kilometers per hour is 5 meters per second. Now, if you remember the table of 18 and 5, this will suffice. 18 twos are 36, so 5 twos are 10. See, 54. So 18 threes are 54. 5 threes are 15. So 18 fours are 72. So 5 fours are 20. 18 fives are is 90. So 5 fives are is 25. 18 six are is 108. So similarly, 5 6 are is 30. So please memorize. All right, do it as fast as possible, which means today itself. All right, sir. Let's start solving some questions. Come on, guys. Get up. Slor, how 0.67 become 2 by 3? How 0.67 become 2 by 3? What do you mean by that, Chandrasekhar? Show me, please, sir. I did not understand you. SME, sir, please help Chandrasekhar. In how much time will a car traveling at a speed of 72 kilometers per hour cover 180 kilometers of distance? Now, what is given to you? Speed is given, 72 kilometers per hour. Distance is given. And what is asked? How much time? So time is what you need to find out. So you know the formula for time? Time is equal to distance by speed. So how much is the distance? 72. How much is my bad. The distance here is given to you as 180 and speed here is 72. All right. So this happens to be 2.5 hours. What? Look at the choices also. The choices are given to you in hours, so you don't need to convert this into meters per second. Correct. Well done. In how much time? So what do you want? Time. So time is distance by speed. Okay. Will a 200-meter long train, that is the length of the train. Now the length of the train happens to be the distance which needs to be covered by the train. Why? Because it is, although traveling at a speed of 72 kilometers per hour, that is speed given to you, cross an electric pole. Okay. So let us say this is an electric pole. If the train let us say, needs to cross this electric pole, then it will have to cross its own length. Please know this. Okay, it will have to cross its own length. And the length of the electric pole will be taken as negligible. So when a train is crossing, let us say a train which has substantial length, if it crosses an object of considerable distance or considerable length, okay, then there is a different thing. Then the length of the object and the length of the train will be combined. But here, the train is crossing an object of negligible length. So other things which could be given to you could be like a pole, even a dog or a cow or a man or a bike or a car, all these, their lengths are considered negligible, all right, as compared to train's length. So now time is, the distance has to be 200 meters, which is nothing but the length of the train, all right, divided by speed. Now speed here is 72 kilometer per hour. Now mind you, here the length is in, or distance is in meters, whereas the speed is in kilometer per hour. So you will have to convert it into meters per second. So we know it very well that 18 into 4 is 72. So you have 200 meters now by, let us say, 20 seconds. So it becomes 10. Sorry, just a minute. (20 meters per second). So meter cancel, seconds remain. So 10 seconds should be your answer. Got it? So choice A here should be the correct answer. So hope this is clear. Now see. In how much time? Again, you have to find out time. Will a 200-meter long train, so this is the length of the train, traveling at 54 km per hour, so that is the speed of the train, cross a 100-meter long platform. Now this is what? The length of the platform. Okay. So in such a case, because platform obviously has a considerable distance of 100 meters, so what shall you do? Let us say this is a platform, 100 meters, and a train needs to cross it, let us say. So if it crosses it, it will have to cross its own distance as well. Okay. So this is 200 meters. So time here is distance by speed. The total distance would be the length of the train plus length of the platform by speed of the train. So this would become 200 meters plus another 100 meters. And speed of the train is 54. But this is given to us in kilometers per hour. So let us convert it into meters per second. All right, because the distance is given to us in meters. So this is 300 meters. All right, 18 threes are 54 by 15. It should take 20 seconds. So till now, whatever I have explained, is this clear to you? Please tell me. Is this clear to you? Please tell me. Kindly confirm by filling in the poll. Quite simple, isn't it, sir? (94%). All right. Seldom you would find a question on time and distance, but even if there is one question, we should be in a position to solve. What happens when two trains, they cross each other? Now, how do they cross each other? They cross each other in two different ways. All right. So let us say there are two trains or vehicles A and B whose lengths are L1 and L2 meters respectively. Speeds are X kilometer per hour, Y kilometer per hour. And if the two trains are traveling towards each other like this, all right, this is, let us say, train A, this is, let us say, train B, all right, that is, they are traveling in opposite directions. Then the relative speed, that is, in relation to each other, what would be the speed? That is a relative speed. would be the sum of their speeds. Okay, because zoop, they will cross each other. All right, because both are traveling in opposite directions. Okay. Now the time taken obviously will be the length of the two trains, L1 plus L2, that becomes a distance, and speed, that is sum of the speeds. Now what happens when train B is being chased by train A? All right, let us say this is train B and it is being chased by train A. Obviously, if we want train A to cross train B, then train A has to be faster and train B must be slower, obviously. Okay, but both are traveling in the same direction. Then the relative speed is the difference of the two speeds. All right, and then the time taken for them to cross each other will obviously be more, isn't it so? So L1 plus L2, okay, divided by x minus y. Now here, you got to understand that these two vehicles which are crossing each other may be trains or maybe two cars. If there are two cars, they are of, let us say, negligible length. Okay, if the length is given to you, then fine, take that length, 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter, or whatever. If it is not given to you, then take it as negligible. Okay, take it as zero. Now let's have a look at lengths of train A and B are 225 meters and 250 meters. So this is L1, this is L2 given to us. Speeds are also given to us, 54 and 36, S1 and S2. Both the trains are traveling towards each other like this. Zip. Then in how much time? How much time? So T you need to find out, which is distance by speed. The two trains cross each other. So distance is going to be the sum of the two lengths, right? And because they're traveling in the opposite direction, so hence the relative speed should be the sum of the two speeds because they are traveling in the opposite direction. So 225 plus 250 by 54 plus 36. Now this 54 and 36 are in kilometers per hour. Whereas this 225 and 250 meters length, these are in meters. So obviously you will have to convert this into meters per second. So this happens to be 475 and this is 90 into 5 by 18. 5s are. So 5 into 5, you have 25. So 475 by 25. Correct? So 25 ones are 25. So you are left with 225. 25 nines are. So you get 19 seconds. Perfect. You got it. Lovely. Another question seems to be similar, is it? Okay, 1225 meters, 250 meters. Speeds are also same. So this question has been repeated, is it? Ah, both are traveling in the same direction. This is what makes it different. Okay. So time taken by these two trains, or let us say the train A to cross train B, must be anyhow distance by speed. So distance here is again sum of the two lengths, 225 plus 250. Okay. And this time, the faster minus slower needs to be converted into meters per second because these two are in meters. Once again, you get 475 here. 54 minus 36 is 18 only. This cancels. So 475 by 5, 9s are 45, 25. So 95 seconds is what we get here. भावना गलती से मिस्टेक हो गया. हाँ, easy way to find quickly, like you tell me, sir. This is easy, sir. Chandrasekhar, why are you perceiving this as difficult? This is the easiest way. Let's talk about the concept of average speed. See, if a person travels from A to B, let us say, at let me see. Am I going to repeat? Yes, I am going to repeat. No, I should not. let us say, goes from A to B at 70 kilometers per hour and comes back at 30 kilometers per hour. What will be his average speed for the entire journey? We don't know the distance between A and B. Let us say it is D kilometers. What will be his average speed? Arey Chandrasekhar, what are you asking me? Can't you divide 475 by 25? 25 ones are 25. Huh? 2, 2, 5. 25 nines are 225. You should know the tables also, na? How to judge 25 into 19 is 225. Come on. Is 475. Obviously, 475 you will divide by 25, no? Okay. Anyhow, it is not 50, my child. Please remember, it is not 50. Definitely not. See, 50 will be the average of two numbers, 70 and 30. Okay. And moreover, it is already given to you. Why is it that you're not able to see it here? It is 2xy by x plus y. So the average speed actually is nothing but it is total distance covered by total time taken. That is how we actually find out. But here it will be easier if you use this as a shortcut, 2xy by x plus y. So this is 2 into 70 into 30 by 70 plus 30. Please do not multiply the numerators. Keep them as it is. All right. And just cancel the zeros that you have in the denominators. That's it. Okay. So now it becomes 14 into 3, right? So it should be 42 kilometers per hour. Please notice. Correct. You got it. You got it. So please remember this formula. All right. Please remember to find out the average speed. So let us see how you solve this question, and I'm going to give you a poll for this. Okay. Please hurry up. Please, please, please be fast. Very, very fast. Prakshita, which part you're not understanding? Please tell me. Why do people directly tell me, sir, this part we have not understood? If you ask me, sir, not understood, then I will ask you which part not understood. So let us save that exercise. Average speed is equal to 2xy by x plus y. What are xy? The two speeds which are given to you. This is x, let us say. All right. And this is y. Okay. So that is nothing but 277%. Lovely. 2 into 60 into 40 by 60 plus 40. Beta, formula you know already. You just have to put in or substitute the values. That's all that you need to do. Have some confidence on yourself. All right. 2 into 60 into 40 by 100. What will you do? What will you do? Tell me. Cancel these. Okay. So 6 twos are 12. 12 fours are 48. So this shall be 48 kilometers per hour. Now, please tell me, is this understood? Is this understood? The concept of finding out the average speed, you only have to apply one formula to xy by x plus y. Is that understood, beta? Please mark your answer. Please mark your response here. 97%. Lovely. Very good. Now, same question. Same this thing, concept. Average speed is equal to 2xy by x plus y. At least give me right. Give me a correct answer this time. Car travels at 100 kilometers per hour from Bangalore to Mangalore and comes back through the same route at a speed of 50 kilometers per hour. So this is x, this is y. So 2 into 100 into 50. Okay. Then what will be the average speed of the car for the entire journey? By 100 plus 50. All right. So 2 into 100 plus 50, sorry, into 50 by 150. All right. So goes by 5, right? Does it or not? So 5 threes are. Okay. Sorry. This goes. So this is what? 200 by 3. 66.67 kilometers per hour. Choice A. Correct. You got it. All right, sir. Let's have a look at a question that came in 2019, but I won't say that this is a question which is actually based on uh, time and distance. But many people feel that races and whatever the question are there on races, they are based on time and distance, but they are not. Usually, generally, the questions are based on a concept which I've already taught you that is called unitary method. Okay. XYZ are 3 contestants in a race of 1000 meters. All right, sir. Let's have a race of 1000 meters. Okay. So that means this is where you start the race, this is where you end the race. Assume that all run with different uniform speeds. Now, listen to me carefully, very carefully. All right, how you're supposed to interpret the meaning of these statements and instructions. X gives Y a start of 40 meters. Chandrasekhar, because you're going to ask me. So please understand this right now. X gives Y a start of 40 meters could mean 2 things. That is, X allows Y to start running before X does. X has stopped. All right, you run first. Y, you run first. I will catch up. That's what X says. Now, the moment Y has run 40 meters, that is when X starts running. Now, that is first interpretation or first way in which you can define this instruction. X gives Y a start of 40 meters. The other is that X and Y are standing at 2 different points, wherein X is standing here at the starting line and Y is standing here 40 meters ahead of X. All right, so Y is standing 40 meters ahead of X. See, X is so confident. He says, even if you stand 40 meters ahead of me, I'll finish this race at the same time with you. Okay. You will not be able to beat me. And X gives Z a start of 64 meters. Now, similarly, X allows Z to stand 64 meters ahead of him. Now, could you please tell me at present, what is the distance between Y and Z? How much is the distance between Y and Z? Could you please tell me? Very fast you type, officer. Come on, wake up. Hurry up. Lovely. All right, sir. So currently in this format, Z is standing Y meters ahead of X. Okay. Now just very fast you will type and you will tell me from here to here, X is running. So how much distance does X cover in the race? Perfect. 1000 meters. Yes, sir. How much distance is covered by Y? How much distance is Y running? Please tell me. Y is running, Chandrasekhar, from here to here. Y is already standing 40 meters ahead. All right. So how much could be this distance? I want your reply. Lovely, lovely, lovely. 960 meters, because Y is already standing 40 meters ahead of X. So Y will be running 40 meters less than X. That is 40 meters less than 1000 meters. That is 960 meters. All right. That's it. That's it. I don't want for Z. I don't want for Z. Because the question here is, if Y and Z were to compete in a race of 1000 meters, how many meters start will Y give to Z? That is, how many meters will Z stand ahead of Y? Currently, Y is running how much? Y is running how much, sir, in this race? 960 meters, right? So Z is ahead of Y by how many meters? Please tell me. When Y is running here 960 meters, then Z is standing ahead of Y by how many meters? Perfect, 24 meters. Now, if Y will run 1000 meters, then it should allow Z to stand ahead by how many meters? More meters or less meters? More meters or less meters? More meters or less meters? Why less? Why less, Samiksha? Because 1000 initially, when Y was running 960 meters, he allowed Z to stand 24 meters. Now the distance has increased to 1000 meters. So hence, Z should be standing, obviously, a more distance away, right? So more by less into RHS. Zero cancels. Simple, simple little star. Why should I wonder who you are? All right. As simple as that, sir. I have already repeated 2-3 times. Prashant, you tell me, when Y is 40 meters ahead of X, Y is running 1000 meters minus 40 meters. That is, Y is running how much? 960 meters. And Z is standing ahead of Y by how many meters? 24 meters. So when Y is running a race of 960 meters, then Z is standing ahead of Y by 24 meters. If Y is running a race of 1000 meters, then Z will stand ahead of Y by how many meters? Now 960 has increased to 1000 meters. Yes, so obviously this also has to be increased. So this will be more distance. So more out of these two figures, 960 and 1000, the more quantity by less quantity. All right. So 1000 by 960 into the quantity given to you on the right hand side. See, unitary method, I have solved already 3-4 questions. Balaraju, this is exactly what I just repeated also. All right. Okay, sir. Let me just take a count here, then I will know that, after my telling 3 times also, if you are asking me this, then kaise chalega? By 1000 by 960. 3 times I have told 1000. If he is running 960, then 24 meters ahead. If he's running 1000 meters, then he will be running, then Z will be more number of meters ahead. Okay, 95%. Wonderful. Let's have a look at boats and streams. Okay, sir. So let me give you something here. Let us say this is a stream or a river which is flowing. All right. In that river, this is a boat. This is a person who is rowing the boat. All right. Now, see, obviously, because of gravitational pull, the stream will always flow from high to lower grounds. Isn't it so? And this is still water. Here you have the same boat, the same person is rowing this boat. Okay. Now, this is still water. So, let us say this could be a pond, a lake. These are considered to be bodies of still water. Okay. This is flowing water. So, this is called a stream, a river, a canal, any of these things. Okay. Now, speed of the boat in still water is taken as x kilometer per hour. Okay. And speed of the stream, the speed at which the stream is flowing is taken as y kilometer per hour. So what is x? What is x? Speed of boat in still water, not flowing water, still water. Okay. And what is y? Y is speed of stream in, y is speed of the stream as it is. Okay. SME sir, could you please contact someone and get rid of this noise, please? Now, if the boat is going in the direction of the stream, correct, then it is said to be flowing downstream. So, what is downstream? It is flowing in the same direction of the stream, and this is represented by letter D. Okay, and if the boat is going against the current, against the flow of the stream, obviously, then it gets resistance from stream, isn't it, sir? So, then it is said to be flowing upstream, and we use letter U to represent that. Now, very simple. When the boat is going downstream, downstream speed of the boat shall be sum of these two speeds. That is speed of the boat and the speed of the current. It will flow faster. All right. Whereas if at all boat is going against the current, flowing upstream, then upstream speed of the boat will be the speed of the boat in still water minus the speed of stream. Correct. So obviously it will become lesser because it is receiving resistance, isn't it so? So this is what we got to know here. Actually, the things that you need to know here is that D is x plus y, as I have just told you, downstream speed. U is upstream speed, that is x minus y. All right. And when I add these two, let us say I add these two, then D plus U is nothing but you can cancel plus y and minus y. Okay. It is 2x. And from this, we get a formula that is speed of the boat in still water is D plus U by 2. Okay. Now, similarly, this was when you added the two equations. I'm just giving you the derivation. If you're not able to understand the derivation, that's all right. Although this is very simple. Okay. But you got to remember the formula. Okay. So if at all D minus U you take, difference between these two. So D minus U. In this case, this is minus, this is minus, this is plus. X cancels. This is equal to 2y. So y here is D minus U by 2. Get it? So please remember these two formulas as well. So there are 4 things that you need to remember actually. Okay. 4 things that you need to remember. All right. First is D is x plus y. U is x minus y. X is D plus U by 2. And y is D minus U by 2. These are the basics, and nothing else can come apart from the basic. If at all there is something else which is coming your way, try it using these basics. All right. And as it is, I've told you, you're not supposed to spend more than 1.5 minutes over a question. Okay. If you're just about to solve the question, you know where you are, and you can solve the question, then maybe another half a minute to 1 minute you can spend. But if you have no clue, then within 1.5 minutes, please move on in life to another question. Simple as that. 1 to 1.5 minutes to figure out. All right. So the same concepts, a small repetition. Speed of boat in still water is x, speed of stream is y. If the boat travels in the direction of the flow of the stream, then the speeds of the boat and the stream will get added. Then it is called downstream speed. D is x plus y. Boat travels in the direction opposite to the flow of stream. Opposite. All right, then it is upstream speed. That is u is equal to x minus y. If the boat travels at d kilometer per hour, that is downstream speed, along the stream and travels at u kilometer per hour, that is upstream speed against the stream, then speed of the boat in still water, x is equal to d plus u by 2. Speed of the stream, y is equal to d minus u by 2. That's it. Understood? That's all that you need to remember. Okay, so let's have a look at this question, please. हाँ यार कर लूंगा मैं. I'll try to do the same. Abhishek, तुम्हें भी जुकाम था ना? I hope you are better. This topic, Sudhish, could you read your statement? Please repeat this topic once again, sir. बहुत ज़्यादा मांग लिया यार तूने. Complete topic I should repeat. Lovely. Anyhow, watch the recording then. All right, beta. A boat covers 75 kilometers against a stream. So upstream speed in 3 hours. So speed, is distance by time. So what will be the upstream speed? Distance covered is 75 kilometers. How much time is taken? 3 hours. So how much shall this be? Perfect. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will definitely try it today. Tonight I'll try, Abhishek. All right, sir. And covers 60 kilometers along the stream, in the same direction of the stream. That is the downstream speed. How much is the distance covered? 60 kilometer. How much time? 1.5 hours. 40 kilometers per hour. Right? So what will be the speed of the boat in still water? Speed of the boat in still water is what? X. That is d plus u by 2. All right, that is 40 plus 25 by 2. 65 by 2. All right, so that becomes 32.5 kilometer per hour. As simple as that. You got this? All right, so simple application of formulas, just mere substitution. That is what we're talking about here. Look at this one. A man travels by a boat 36 kilometer upstream speed, downstream speed, 36 kilometers upstream, 48 kilometer downstream, 48 kilometer downstream. Distance is given and took 6 hours each time. So each time 6 hours, each time 6 hours, right? So this must be 6 kilometer per hour and this must be 8 kilometer per hour. Correct? So what was the speed of the stream? So speed of the stream, y, is d minus u by 2. That is 8 minus 6 by 2, which is 2 by 2, which is 1 kilometer per hour. All right? So simple little star. That is why it is 1 kilometer per hour. Well judged. Anyhow, Now, similarly, a boat can row at a speed of 36 km per hour in still water. Oh, speed in still water. So X is given to you, sir. So given is X. Whatever is given, you write that first. And I told you, the moment you read an instruction or a statement, your pen should immediately start scribbling about the gist of that instruction or statement in short. Okay. When the boat is rowing in a river, so it's a stream, then to row 56 kilometers, it takes 1 hour 45 minutes to row upstream. All right. So now there is one catch here, and that is we have 45 minutes. We have to convert it in hours. So 45 minutes is nothing but 45 by 60 hours. There are 60 minutes in an hour, no? Okay. So 15 threes are 15 fours are. So 3 by 4 of an hour. Now, the time taken by the boat to row upstream is 1 hour 45 minutes. So 1 hour 45 minutes, I hope you people know fractions, is 1 3 by 4 hours. All right. Make a mixed fraction out of it. 7 by 4 hours. Now, this was the only calculation that you needed to do. Convert minutes into hours. All right. So, if you have 30 minutes, how many hours? 30 by 60, 1 by 2 hours, half hour. Isn't that so? Now, here upstream speed will be distance by time. Right. So, what do you have time here as? 7 by 4 hours. So, 7 by 4. Now, you know, 7 8s are 56, and this 4 goes up. All right. So, it is 32 kilometer per hour. Clear? How much time will be taken by the boat to row the same distance downstream? Now, what is downstream? Here, X is known to you, U is known to you. Can't you find out downstream speed? You have the formula with you, no? X is equal to D plus U by 2. All right. So then just substitute the values. What is X? Already given to you, 36. D is given here. Plus U, you know, is 32 by 2. All right. So this goes here. 36 into 2 is equal to D plus 32. Okay. So downstream speed you will have to find out. So this is 72 minus 32 is equal to D. Okay. That is 40 kilometer per hour. So downstream speed, you know. Now he is now asking you how much time will be taken by the boat to row the same distance downstream the river. So now you want time. Okay. So time is nothing but it is distance by speed. So time is what? What is the distance he says? Same distance. What is the distance? 56. What is the speed? Obviously, the speed that we are talking about here is downstream speed that we have already calculated, haven't we? Okay, that is 40. So use your tables. 8 sevens are 56, 8 fives are 40. Okay, so now 7 by 5 hours. Now look at the choices here. Look at the choices. 1 hour 45 minutes, 1 hour 12 minutes, 1 hour 16 minutes, 1 hour 24 minutes. So once again, he wants to test your ability of converting this mixed fraction, this fraction that you have 7 by 5 hours into hours and minutes. Okay. So let us divide 7 by 5. 1 za 5, 2. 2 remains. Right. So 2 parts out of 5. So how many are 2 parts out of 5 of an hour? That is 60 minutes. 5, this is 12, that is 24 minutes. So the time taken here shall be 1 hour and 24 minutes. That's it. Okay, which is anyhow given to us in choice D. Yes, you got this. You got this. Chandrasekhar, there is no confusion. It is simply, you tell me, from what you have learned. A boat can row at a speed of 36 km per hour in still water. What will you take? X or Y? X or Y? Why are you confused? Just revise, you will know. Speed of the boat in still water is X kilometer per hour. Speed of the stream is Y kilometer per hour. When to take X, when to take Y. It is not that. You have to read the question carefully. Clearly it says, boat can row at a speed of 36 km per hour in still water. Still water cannot be speed of stream, no. It is not a stream. All right. Okay. And he's saying a boat can row. So obviously he's telling you the speed of the boat in still water. So you have to take X as 36. Small thing. You should know this. Okay. It's not at all difficult, Samiksha. Tell me, which part do you want me to explain again? All right, Varun. Great. Yes, Samiksha. All right. I'm skipping your, generic kind of statements you people are making. It is too difficult. I'm not able to understand. I mean, you specify which part you're not able to understand. Then I'll try to help you. No, I'm understand. Okay, then fine. My favorite topic. Yes, permutation and combination. Lovely. Okay, so ये तो बनता ही है यार. How many of you are comfortable with permutation and combination? Mark Y as your response. If you are not comfortable, whether you remember or not, whether you've done or not, means you're not comfortable. Even if you are done permutation and combination in your earlier classes and you feel that you're not comfortable, mark no as the answer. Okay, so I'm giving you a poll here. So don't worry if your answer is correct or wrong, whatever it is. I'm just trying to figure out in this class how many people are going to become an expert today, a master. Okay is not comfortable. Nah. 51% are comfortable, 49% are not comfortable. Half, 50-50 almost. Lovely. So those who are comfortable, please forget whatever you have learned previously. Those who are not comfortable, today you are going to become a champion. Okay. Provided you stay with me, provided you tell yourself, I am intelligent, I can understand things, whatever is given to me, I will be able to understand it, I can do it. Then you will be able to do it. If you say, then this is what will be the response of your life also towards you. This is what they will do. So it is your job to understand. All right, to try to understand again and again. Not required. Improve your IQ level. All right, so give more exposure to your brain. All righty, sir. Here we go. One basic question asks, what is the difference between permutation and combination? Permutation is sequential arrangement. Sequence means orderly fashion. Order is important in permutation. And combination is number of ways in which we can make arrangements. Just simply number of ways. So I'll give you a small example. Let us say that there are 30 cricketers selected all over India. Right? Initially, 30 are selected. Now, a team of 11 has to be selected so that they can participate in World Cup. Let us say this is example. So, selection of 11 players out of a total of 30 players can be done in 30 C11 ways. Okay. C stands for combination. Why 30 is, let us say, written on the top and 11 at the bottom. What do you call it? Super and sub. All right. So now creating a batting order. See, now you have order, a sequence. For these 11 players can be done in, now you know that if you are creating batting order, okay, then you have 11 players here. All right. And you have to form a permutation, and at a time you will have to choose two players. You will have to choose two players at a time, because two players you will be sending, no? Okay, then first down, then second down, then third down. So you will have to create an order. Okay. So please know this, that here order of selection is not important. Here order is important because that's exactly what you have to make, batting order. Who will come after first down, then second down, then third down, then fourth down. All right, that is permutation where the order is important. Okay, now I have, let us say, I'll give you few numbers. Okay, let's say 7, 8, and 9. How many two-digit numbers can be formed without repetition using these three digits? Yes, yes, yes. NPR and NCR. Correct, Vijay. All right, sir. So I'm not going to play with NPR. Don't worry. So I'll give you some easy things to do in life. Now tell me, to fill up this position, how many digits do we have to choose from? How many choices do we have? How many options do we have? We can fill 7 in this position. We can fill 8 in this position, or we can fill 9 also in this position. So that means we have 3 choices or 3 numbers to choose from. Correct? Did you get it? No, 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 no. Vivek, that is incorrect. 3C3 is incorrect. I'm saying 2-digit numbers we have to form. Okay, first let me remove this. So to fill up this position, tens place, we have how many choices? We have 3 numbers to choose from. Either you can put in 7, or you can put in 8, or you can put in 9. So one out of these 3 numbers, one out of these 3 digits will get used here. Right? Now, how many digits remain to fill up this position? Please tell me. How many digits do we have as an option to fill up in this place? Only 2. That's it. 3 into 2. 6 numbers, 6 two-digit numbers can be formed using 7, 8, and 9. See? 7, 8, 7, 9. 8, 7, 8, 9. 9, 7, 9, 8. That's it. Get it? So just logically, you will have to use your mind. Okay. Now let me give you 4 digits: 6, 7, 8, 9. Now tell me, how many 3-digit numbers can be formed using these 4 digits? How many 3-digit numbers can be formed using these 4 digits? Please tell me. So to fill up this position, we have an option of substituting 6 or putting 7 or keeping 8 or 9. So we have 4 numbers to choose from. Either you can put 6 or 7 or 8 or 9. Now, one out of these numbers or one out of these 4 digits will get consumed. It will be used here. Now, how many are left to fill up this position? How many are left to fill? Yes, Chitturi, we can say that. How many are left to fill up this position? We are left with 3. Now, one out of these 3 digits will be used here to occupy this position. Now, how many are left to occupy this position, the last position, units place? There you go. Over. So 24 3-digit numbers can be created without repetition from 6, 7, 8, 9. Is this clear? Is this clear? Bholo beta bholo. Bholo 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 ram. Bholo bholo bholo. All right, 89% still. So figure out what is it that you have not know, you have not understood. Try to do it better when you watch the recording. All right. Okay. Now, when I talk about combinations, it is represented as NCR. All right. So out of a total N objects, R objects can be chosen in NCR ways. There you go. Okay. Now see, there are let us say 5 different colors. Yeah, colored balls. Red, blue, green, yellow, and pink. Okay. Now, in how many ways? Can you select? In how many ways can you select 2 balls out of these 5 balls? In how many ways can you select 2 balls out of these 5 balls? So total number of balls, total number of objects which are given to you are 5. Out of these, you are going to select 2. So first of all, understand how you have to depict this. Okay, 5C2. Perfect. All right. Okay. So let us say now you have, uh, 10 caps. In how many ways can you select 3 caps out of these 10 caps? In how many ways can you select 3 caps out of these 10 caps? Lovely. So total number of objects is 10, out of which you are going to select how many? 3 caps. Right? So R is the number that you will select, and N is total number of objects in front of you. Is that clear now? Okay. Lovely. Okay, sir. Now I'll tell you about something called factorial. Factorial is given by, this sign symbol. So n factorial. Okay, this is how, exclamation mark you can say. Okay. So n factorial is nothing but you will keep on multiplying n with its previous number, n minus 1, which is again multiplied with its previous number, which is again multiplied with its previous number, till you reach 1. So if I have to write 5 factorial is nothing but it is 5 into number before 5, 4 into number before 4, 3 into number before 3, 2 into number before 2, 1. Then could you please tell me how will you write 8 factorial? Please tell me. How will you write 8 factorial? Please tell me. Please be fast. Fast means fast, officer. Ah, you're going to take care of a district and a department. Use your brain. Come on, hurry up. Lovely. Perfect. Very good. Very good. So you start with 8. Then, write the counting in reverse or descending order. All right. 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Over. Yes, sir. Correct? Okay. Now, let me tell you, NCR is actually nothing but it is n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. You have to remember this. Okay. But how do you apply this? I'll tell you. Very simple. Actually, you don't even have to use this formula. Okay. So let me just give it to you. If you have 5C2 as we have here, see, how are you going to write it actually? 5 factorial by 2 factorial into 5 minus 2 factorial. So that is 5 factorial by 2 factorial into 3 factorial. Then you will open this also, na? Huh? So it will become, let us say, 5 into 4 into 3 factorial by 2 into 1 into 3 factorial. By the way, 5 factorial can also be written as 5 into 4 factorial. It can also be written as 5 into 4 into 3 factorial. And 8 factorial can be written as 8 into 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, that is under 7 factorial. It can be written as 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. It can be written as 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 factorial and so on. All right, 6, just a minute. True, got it. Three factorial gone. So what are we left with? 5, 4, 2, 1, 2, 2 gone. It is 10. Got it. Yes. Lovely. Now, I have something for you. I am saying if it is written as 5C2, look at this. The value of R. What is the value of R? 2. What is the value of R? 2. What is the value of R? 2. So in the numerator, we will write only 2 numbers. 5 and the number before it. And below that, 2 factorial, that is 2 into 1. Aren't you still getting the same figure? See? Aren't you still getting the same figure? 2 cancels here. Still you get 10. Why to, use this formula? Not required. Now, 10C3. How will we depict 10C3? What is the value of R here? What is the value of R here? 3. So in the numerator, you will write only 3 numbers. 10, number before it 9, number before it 8. Divided by 3 factorial. That is 3 into 2 into 1. That's it. So 2 divides 8 gives you 4. 3 divides 9 gives you 3. That is 120. Did you get this? Did you get this? Did you get this? All right. All right. I have another question for you. Now you will tell me how will you write 8 C2. How much is 8C2? Please tell me. Tell. Hurry up. Perfect. Yes. You got this. So 8 into the number before 7. See, only two numbers we want. And below that, 2 into 1 cancels. So you got a 28. Is this clear? Now, whatever that we have discussed till now, please tell me, is that clear to you? Let me just take a poll. Give yourself time to get used to it. Obviously, it will require practice. %, lovely. Okay. Very clear. Ji, very clear. Shabash. Some more things. If you have to find out, let us say 5 by 5, 8C5. How will you write it? So value of R is 5, no? So 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4. So 5 digits, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 in the numerator, 5 numbers, divided by 5 factorial. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Cutting starts. Don't you think this is same? This is same as 8 into 7 into 6 by 3 into 2 into 1. It is same as 8C3. Yes or no? Please tell me. Is it same or not? Yes. All right. Now listen to me carefully. Listen to me carefully. If R is greater than n by 2, okay, then you can use this. 8C5 is there. What do? You write it as 8C 8 minus 5, which is nothing but 8C3. So anyhow, this is what you will do whenever R is greater than half of n. Now, what is n? 8. What is n here? 8. What is half of n? 4. What is the value of R? 5. 5 is greater than 4, no? So you will take more time and effort in writing down 8C5. So what will you do? You will write it as 8C 8 minus 5, that is 8C3. So I don't want to play formula, but from this you should know that NCR is equal to NCN minus R. This is what I mean to say here. See, why permutation combination we were not comfortable with? Because most of the times we had to write the steps. Because there were so many formulas that we had to remember. Because there were so many derivations that we had to do. Isn't it? So there is no derivation as far as CSAT goes. All right? It's just a multiple choice question paper. Okay, but this is one fact that you have to remember. Please tell me, how will you write 100C98? No, don't say what a shortcut. Say BHAT a shortcut. BHAT. B-H-A-T. That is the correct spelling. Yes, sir, you got it. No. Ravi. Arey bhai. Saurabh, what are you doing? It is same as writing 100C2. That is 100C, 100 minus 98. 98 obviously is more than half of 100. No, half of 100 is 50. No. Huh? So now you tell me. Another one I'm giving you. 64C44. How will you write it? No need to calculate. Just tell me how would you write it in short. Perfect. You got this. 64 C 20. That is 64 minus 44. All right. One final one. One more. 25 C 10. All right, 25C10 can be written as 25C15, but why will you write it as 25C15? Huh? Let this remain as it is now. Because 10 here is not more than half of 25. Okay. Use 25C10 only. 25C15 will be, uh, you know, uh, it will increase your labor as far as your calculations go. All right, tell me 25C20. This one you tell me. Ah, you got it now. So it is 25C5. Got it? Now this is something that you need to remember. All right, now I've given you 4-5 questions. So I think this must have registered into your mind. Okay, so some more fundamentals. 5C4, you know, can be written as 5C1. Okay, so if I say there are 5 balls, in how many ways can you select one ball? 5 ways, no? One ball, first ball, or second ball, or third ball, or fourth ball, or fifth ball. So this is 5 only. So from this, I want you to know NC as it is, NC n minus 1 is nothing but it is equal to NC1, which is equal to N. N is 5, N minus 1 is 4. 5C4, you know this, 4 is greater than 5 by 2. Can be written as 5C, 5 minus 4, that is 1. All right. Now, this also you need to know, N minus 1 is 4. All right. So it can be written as NC1, 5C1, and 5C1 is 5 only. Okay. Now, see, there is a jadoo here, magic. These two are interchangeable. Bhat do I mean by that? Bhat. This is bhat I mean, my child. 5C5 is equal to 1, which means NCN is equal to 1. Correct? So you will tell me, you will tell me, you will tell me, you will tell me how much is 100C100? Yes, sir, you got this. Then you will tell me 100C99. Yes, sir. 100C99 is 100C1, which will give me 100 only. Okay, you tell me 50C1. How much is 50C1? 5 only, Chitturi. Chitturi. Chitturi, 5C0 is 5 only. 50C1. How much is 50C1? 50. And how much will be 50C49? Come on, guys. 50C49 is again 50C1, my dear child. So it will be 50 only. Got it? So whatever I have discussed with you till now, are you becoming the getter of it? Getter. Are you becoming the catcher of it? Has it been well caught? Tell, please mark your response. Come on, hurry up. 93%. Wonderful. All right. So rest of the learnings for other people can happen when we solve the questions. Okay, here we go. Permutations are sequential arrangements. Combinations are total number of arrangements in which sequences not important. So small revision. Now please know I have discussed these with you. These two you must remember. 0 factorial is 1. 1 factorial is also 1. Don't ask me, sir, why. Why 0 factorial is 1? All right. So you're not here to conduct a research. Okay. 0 factorial is 1. Okay. It is just like asking why is an apple called an apple? If it would have been called a banana, you would have questioned now why is it called a banana? So please remember. Anyhow, 0 factorial is 1, 1 factorial is 1. Okay. And as it is, you know how to find out the factorials and the concepts we have discussed. NC1 is equal to N. See, 5C1 is 5. NCN is equal to 1, right? 5C5 is 1. NCR is equal to NC N minus R. That is 5C3 is equal to 5C2. Are you clear? So 8C5, if you have, you know, 5 is greater than 8 by 2, which is 4, can be rewritten as 8C3. It will be easier as far as our calculations go. NCR, National Capital Region. N objects in total, from which you have to choose R objects, R items. All right, combinations is C. Okay. Anyhow, now we are coming on to permutations. Later on, we will come to NCR combination. So right now we are at permutation. Don't think anything about permutation and so on. What I want you to know is how many three-letter groups can be made with the letters A, B, C, D without repetition of any letter. Now here, when you have A, B, C, D, these are four different letters. So let me tell you, A, B, C is different from BCA and so on. Three letters out of four. These are what? Four letters. To fill up this position, we have four choices. Either A or B or C or D will come here. Out of A, B, C, D, one letter will be used here. So to fill up this position, we have only three letters, which are leftovers. And to fill up this position, we have only two letters now, because one will be consumed to fill up the second position. So 4 into 3 into 2. All right. So in total, you can have 24 groups. You got this. And also know 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 or 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 is the same number, no? Can also be called 4 factorial. It can also be called 4 factorial. Yes, Chituri, you can say that. Now, how many three-letter groups can be made with A, B, C, D, E? Now, these are 5 letters. 1, 2, 3. So, what do you have? To fill up this position, you have 5 letters. A, B, C, D, E. One of these letters will be used here. So, leftovers are 4. So, you can choose one out of these 4 here. So, one will be consumed. One out of these 4 letters will be consumed. Leftover will be 3 to fill up this position. So, 5 into 4, 20 into 3 is the retirement age, which is just a number. You got this. So, how many 4-letter words groups can be made with the letters? Now, be careful, be careful. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, 7 letters. Read the question completely such that the first letter is a vowel without repetition of any letter. Now, which are the vowels here? Could you please tell me which are the vowels here? A and E, there are 2 vowels, no? All right. And you want how many letter groups? 4 letter groups. So to fill up this position, okay, because he says first letter is a vowel. This has to be a vowel. So you have only 2 options. Either A will come here or E will come here, because he says first letter should be a vowel. All right. So to fill up this position, you have only 2 letters to choose from. Only 2 options are there, either A or E. Now, in total, there are 7, out of which 1 gets used here. 1 letter is used here. So how many are left? 6 are left. All right. So 6 options you have here, out of which again 1 will be used. 1 letter will be used. So 5 options to fill up this position, out of which 1 option, 1 letter will be used to fill up this place. So you will have a 4 here. So 12 into 20. You got this. Is this clear? Is this clear? All right, let me find out. I know. Okay, give me. अरे कभी तो 100% दो भाई, कंजूस लोग. हरियप्पा, कैप्टन हरियप्पा. 93%, not bad. Good, excellent. Tasi, read the question carefully. That is where you will know what to find. Okay, but you are rushing through. How many 4-digit even numbers? What are even numbers? Numbers which are divisible by 2, right? Which have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in the units place. Can be made with the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is even. This is even. This is even. All right. So how many evens are available to us? Evens which are available. 2, 4, 6. 3 evens are available. Okay. And you want to make 4-digit number. All right. So here, even numbers means last digit should be either 2 or 4 or 6. So you have 3 digits to choose from. Only 3 options. All right. And these are in total 6 digits, out of which you have already consumed 1 here. So to fill up this position, you have 5 options. To fill up this position, you have 4 options. To fill up this position, you have 3 options. So 5 into 4 into 3 into 3. 5 into 4 is 20. 3 into 3 is 9. So it is 180. Chandrasekhar, how do you know a number is even number? Which place will you look for? Which place will you look for? If I give you a number 1, 2, 3, 4, is it even number? Yes or no? Chandrasekhar. It is not even. Do you know what is an even number? What is an even number? Chandrasekhar, you better answer me correctly or I am not teaching you. I am telling you that. This is not an even number. Last digit is 4. Let me just argue with you for another few seconds so that I know whether I'm supposed to heed to your statements or not. But mixed. All right, sir. So your basics are too weak. So what you do is you pick up NCERT maths book from first standard onwards. All right. Then you start preparing for CSAT. So till then, stop with your questionnaires, please, because you don't even know what are even numbers. You are saying that these are mixed. All right. So you're insulting yourself, or if at all you're doing it deliberately, God be with you, my son. Okay. So now, because I was trying to help you every time I take your name and try to work out something, but I find that your basics are not having any basics. You don't even know what is an even number. Okay. Last digit should be 02468. Okay. So you better start with first standard or second standard NCERT maths books. All right. Before that, do not even think of appearing in CSAT. Take 3 years of crash course in mathematics. All right, sir. How many 4-digit numbers can be made with the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Which are divisible by 5. When is a number divisible by 5? Please tell me. People. Last digit should be either 0 or 5. But out of the given digits, 5 is the only digit which is given to you. 0 is not given. So here, to fill up this position, units place, we have only one option. We will have to fill in 5. Okay. Right? All right. So you have 6 digits, out of which you have used 1 here. So 5, 4, 3. Yes, sir, you got it. 60. Why you are getting 180? Santosh, please chat with me. Please tell me. Where did you go wrong? If you have understood, then confirm. If you haven't, no, don't say sorry. If you have understood, then fine. If you have a doubt, you can discuss with me. All right, yes, sir, understood. Okay, good. Now, see, now we move on to combinations because how do you know that this is combination? Now, listen to me carefully. Listen to me carefully. Now, see, most of you are busy reading the question. So, how are you being with me? How would you understand whatever I'm explaining? Then you will say, how did I get this? What, Ray? First, learn how to learn. Okay? And that is, you should not miss even a single statement or a single word which is coming out of the mouth of your teacher. Stay with the teacher. There are 10 points lying on a plane, wherein no 3 points lie in a straight line. So if you have 2 points like this, then this will be the third one. But no 3 points will be in a straight line. On this line, how many straight lines can be made? What is a straight line? What is a straight line? What is a straight line? Line joining 2 points. Fine. Yes. So it is the shortest distance between 2 points. It is the shortest distance between 2 points. All right? Shortest distance. See? Shortest distance. Now, if you are going to make straight lines, are you going to make them in any order? The order in which you make these lines is not important. So, anyhow, you're not going to make lines. Yes, the order is not important. Whereas, if you are making numbers, obviously the order of digits is important because 28 is different from 82. The order changes. If the order reverses from 28 becomes 82, then we get a different number. But here, joining 2 points can be done in any order. So hence, this is a question which is based on combination. Clear? So, sir, total number of points that you have is 10. That is n. You want to find out combinations of how many? 2 points. Out of 10, you will choose 2 points at a time to form a straight line. In how many ways can you do it? 10C2 ways. This can be done in 10C2 ways. So 10 into 9 by 2 into 1, that is in total 45 ways. Simple little star. Now, CSAT has and may ask you such kind of questions in future. And let me tell you, most of the times, the questions which are asked pertaining to permutation and combination, they're easy questions. They're, some story or some more lines are written extra so as to intimidate you, as to, scare you off. But don't get scared. That's the only point. 10 points lying on a plane. Sir, same question. Hold it here. Hold on your horses. Wherein no 3 points lie in a straight line. On this plane, how many triangles can be made? How many triangles are required? How many points are required to form a triangle? How many points are required to form a triangle? Lovely. 3 points are required. Right? 3 points are required. Okay, so what do you do? out of 10 points, you require 3 points at a time to form a triangle. Okay, so how many ways can it be done? 10C3 ways. That is 10 into 9 into 8 by 3 into 2 into 1. 2 gives you 4. 3s are 12. No, Garvit. Permutations, we use letter P, but we did not use letter P. First 5 questions were permutation questions. No, you don't require NPR. Forget it. Forget it, I'm saying. I'm telling you to forget it. First 5 questions were what? They were permutation questions only, no? So there we are just using logical common sense. That's all. Now, see here. Here, obviously, listen to me carefully. A means permutation. B means combination. I'm giving you a poll. So what is this question based on? Permutation or combination? It says how many different 6-letter words with or without meaning can be formed from the letters of the word belief. So here you're going to use letters of the word. True? So tell me, it is a question which is based on permutation, where the order is important, or it is based on combination? Please mark your answer. 48% say permutation and 52% say combination. Lovely. Do you understand? Word has a sequence, it has an order. You have belief, and you can have something like this also. Aren't you changing the order? So the order of the letters will change. Whenever you have letters and numbers or digits, whenever you have letters and numbers or digits, it is always permutation, sir. If you are forming arrangements with letters, when you are forming arrangement with numbers or digits, it is always permutation. So half of the class got it wrong. All right, before you solve this question, let me ask you. Let me give you a different question. Okay. You have a word faulty. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters in it. So how many 6-letter groups can you have with these 6 letters? Simply, if F is given A, U, L, T, Y, these 6 letters are given to you, then how many 6-letter groups can you form? Please tell me. Without repetition of any letter. Without repetition of any letter. Perfect. So you have 6, right? So we can have 6 factorial, or let us say 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, that is in total 720 arrangements can be formed. Okay, now listen to me very, very carefully. Feeling. How many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many different combinations of 7 digits can be formed? Now I use the word combination, so don't think it is combination. Combination here means arrangement. So how many different 7-letter words can be formed by using these letters without or with or without meaning? No, sir, it is not 7 factorial. Please know this. It is not 7 factorial. Anyhow, these 7 letters can be arranged in 7 factorial way. They can be used in 7 factorial way. But listen to me carefully. You have something here, and that is E is repeated. E is repeated. Okay. So if there are two E's, then what do? You will divide this by 2 factorial. Okay. So these are the total number of ways. Now I give you another word. Let us say appeal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these 6 letters can be arranged in 6 factorial way. Huh? But then what do you notice? You have 2 P's. For 2 P's, you will divide this by 2 factorial. And also, you have 2 A's. So you will divide this again by 2 factorial for 2 A's, and here this for 2 P's. Get it? Get it? Okay. Now tell me, deed. Because Garvit, P will be repeated again and again, no? You can't differentiate between the 2 P's. Both P's are similar. So first P and second P, it is the same. No. Femina. You skipped 1, 2 factorial. See, how many E's do we have? 2 E's. As it is, these are 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 letters can be arranged in 4 factorial ways, divided by repetitions. So E is getting repeated 2 times, so 2 factorial. D is getting repeated 2 times, so 2 factorial. Okay. Now you tell me for D, E, L, I, E, V, E, R, E, D, delivered. How many letters are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 letters. So can be arranged in 10 factorial ways. Do you have repetitions here? Well, we have 2 D's here. So divided by 2 factorial. Do we have any other repetitions? Yes. E, 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 E. So 4 factorial. Simple as that. Any other repetition? No. So it will be 10 factorial by 2 factorial into 4 factorial. Get this? Is this understood now? Now is it understood? Beta, please tell me very fast. Come on. 93%. Lovely. Okay. Now what do you have here? See. B, E, L, I, E, F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these can be arranged in 6 factorial ways. Any repetitions? Do you have any repetitions? Yes, sir. E is repeated. So by 2 factorial. Is this clear? Okay. So this shall be equal to 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 by 2 into 1. Cancel. So 6 5s are 30, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. So total 360 ways. आपकी विजय हो विजय, आपका तो नाम ही विजय है. So what? Jhansi Rani, deliberately, I have incorrectly spelled it. So what? Purpose here is not a spell check. The purpose is how you are going to make arrangements. All right. So I had to put an extra E. Okay. I will not Shazia. How many D's do you have? 2. So 2 factorial for 2 D's. How many E's do you have? 4. All right. So 4 E's. So divide by 4 factorial. Whatever is repeated, the number of times that it is repeated, those many number of times you take factorial. So total number of letters divided by the repeated numbers of letters. Okay, do you get this? All right, let's do another one. Hey, did I do this? I think I did, but still, do it afresh. One, two, three, four, five, six. So total number of letters are 6 factorial divided by repetition. So 2 factorial for 2 A's. All right. And 2 factorial for 2 P's. So 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 into 2 into 1. Cancel, cancel. Cancel, cancel. All right. So 3 twos are 6. As it is, this I have always told you, this is 10. So 6 threes are 18 and 10, 180. Tell me for this additive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 factorial. Repetitions. Please tell me the repetitions, please. 2 D's. So 2 factorial for 2 D's. Do I have any other repetitions here? Yeah. 2 I's also we have, no? 2 factorial for 2 I's. I don't want the answer. I just want you to know the method. Did you get this or not? 9 factorial by 2 factorial, 2 factorial. Yes, yes, yes. You got this? You got this? Lovely. So I hope that this is very much clear in your mind. So total number of letters or numbers you count, digits you count, divided by repetitions. If there were 3 I's, I would have divided this by 3 factorial. If there were 4 I's or 4 E's or 4 L's or 4 A's, then I would divide by 4 factorial. All right, so get this concept right, because based on this, we are going to solve 2023 questions. Okay, sir? This is halwa question, right? But you people tend to get scared, no? For a sports meet, see, he started telling you stories now. This is what this guy will do. He will tell you stories and you will, have extra statements. So hence you will get scared. Sir never taught us any question with regard to sports meet. Maybe there is some different fundamental in sports. So sports meet and sports day, something else may happen. Beta, just believe in yourself and believe in your learnings. A winner stand comprising 3 wooden blocks is in the following form. See, he has given you this diagram also. This is how it came in 2018 exam. This diagram was also there. There are 6 different colors available to choose from. And each of 3 wooden block is to be painted such that, now the rule comes, such that, now the rule comes, no 2 of them has the same color. So that means what? Each of these 3 blocks has to be colored with a different color, which means no repetition. No repetition. See how simple is that? So in how many different ways can the winner stand be painted? All right, guys. Tell me, you have 6 colors to choose from to paint this block. 1 color you will use. Now you will not repeat that color. So to color this block, you have 5 colors to choose from. 1 color you will use. Now you are left with 4 colors because you're not going to repeat the colors. So now you are left with 4 colors to choose from. So 6 into 5 into 4. All right, sir. My child, 2018 question. See, look at the question. How scary, how big it seems, creates an impression. This must be tough. So this is exactly what they're checking. And this is exactly what you are being tested for: your confidence, your self belief. So, fundamentals and concepts, applying them comes later. First, you have to apply your self confidence, self belief, and the intent, to solve the question, and that determination and dedication to get through. Then only you will attempt, no, all right, bring it on, let's do you, let's do you, kind of a thing. Okay. No, it's not combination. What, Garvit? 654. Anushka, everyone, please make sure that whatever questions that you see now, first thing that you tell yourself is, I can do it. First, tell yourself, I can do it. And then don't stumble. Believe in yourself. Deal with the question statement by statement, bit by bit. I've been telling you this from the first day. Haven't I been? All right, look at this question then. Hexagon has how many vertices or how many points? All right, so how many triangles can be made? Is there any order in which you are going to make the triangles? No, order is not important. So combination. Over. Get that? Okay. So there are 6 points in a hexagon, and you need 3 points to form a triangle. So 6 three ways. Got it? So 6 into 5 into 4 by 3 into 2 into 1. Cancel, cancel. Wonderful. Now look at this. By joining all the vertices of an octagon has how many points or how many sides? Hey, very less of you are typing. You will not get my Ashirvadam. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, you will not get my Ashirvadam. Then see what happens to your CSAT if you're not replying to me. See, the whole world works on fear, isn't it so? So it is 8-sided figure, as you know. So how many triangles can be made? 8C3 over 8 into 7 into 6. 3 into 2 into 1. Cancel, cancel. 8 sevens are 56. You know what happened? Have you heard of that story that Karna was trained by Lord Parshuram? Okay. So one day something happened and Parshuram really got pissed off with him and he gave him a shrapam. That on that very day, when you require the skills that I have taught to you, you will forget them. It is my shrapam to you. And that's exactly what happened with Karna in Kurukshetra when the wheel of his chariot, it got stuck. And at that time, he forgot, all the skills, all those bonds and all, he didn't have anything. So that was an important day for him. Don't take panga. Okay. That was a message. All right. So you better reply and better answer all the questions. Okay. Better do that. Now tell me, by joining all the vertices of a hexagon, how many points are there in a hexagon? Type. So diagonals. Lovely. You got this. So diagonals would mean it's a straight line. Okay. Now, before you solve this question, I want you to solve this question. By joining all the vertices of a square, how many diagonals can be made? How many diagonals can be made? All right. So people who remember it, they will say 2. Why? Because they know that there are only 2 diagonals. These are the 2 diagonals. But how to do it? Through combination. How to do it? Through combination. How many points do we have here? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. So in total, you have 4 points. And diagonal is a straight line. And you need only 2 points to join the diagonal. So actually it should be 4 into 3 by 2 into 1 to 6 diagonals. Oh my God. How 6 diagonals? We are getting only 2, no? Then which are the other 6? These are straight lines. So in total, with these 4 points, you can form 6 lines, out of which these are 4 lines which are used to form this diagram of square. Okay, so minus 4 lines, okay, which are used to form the square. Now you have 2 diagonals. Now see here, number of diagonals in a closed figure is equal to n, that is the number of vertices or number of sides, whatever you have. C, 2 points are required to find out or to form a diagonal, minus n. N, C2 minus n. All right. So this is something you have to remember. So hexagon has 6 points. So 6C2 minus 6. That is 6 into 5 into 2 into 1 minus 6. All right. So that is 15 minus 6. So 15 is given here. Please be careful. Jhansi Rani, how are you getting none of these? Please tell me. कहाँ मिस्टेक हुआ बेटा? देखो कहाँ अंकिता, लास्ट क्वेश्चन में कहाँ बेटे? क्या किया मैंने? 8C3 ऐसे ही करना था ना उसको. तो मैं तो ये कह रहा हूं कि अगर if at all it is written as 8C6, this you can write as 8C2. 8C5, this you can write as 8C3. I mean, this should be, R should be smaller than 8. It is smaller, no? So I'm directly doing it. All right, sir. Now you solve this. By joining all the vertices of an octagon, how many diagonals can be made? NC2 minus N. I give you this. And then also, if you don't get your answer, take up, 5 years of crash course in that case. If that be the case. Mark your answer in the poll, please. Very fast. Very fast. Mark your answer in the poll. Hariyappa, Hariyappa. Entra. What है? કેમ છે? સારું છે? જો બી છે મારો છે. 56% still. Even when the formula is written in front of you. Wonderful. So octagon has, it's an 8-sided figure. So 8C2 minus 8. So 8 into 7 by 2 into 1 minus 8. So 28 minus 8 is equal to 20. So we got the answer. I will give you a break, but let me just do something wonderful here. Choice A is 20. Choice B is 28. What is the answer to this question? What is the answer to this question? Okay, what is the answer of this question? Please mark in the poll. Is it A or B? Is it A or B? What is the answer to this question? Please mark very fast. Very fast. Yes, I knew it. See, 95% people, question that I have solved, where I am underlining, this is the answer. Okay, and I'm asking you, Which is the what is the answer to this question? 5% of the students marked B as the answer, and 95% people marked A as the answer. So I see deliberation here. I mean, or are you really, I mean, that foolish that I'm telling you this is the answer? 20 is the answer to this question. So now, what is the answer? Okay, let me try and do it once again. Do you want? All right, keep it to yourself. But this is what I mean, 7 people here. So please know this. I mean, you need to improve upon your IQ level if this is the truth that you did not listen to me. So what basically you have to improve, I believe, is your listening ability. You do not listen to me. You're doing something else here, there, this, that. You're not even listening to me. Okay, don't become a karna. All right, sir. So here we go. We break. Let's catch up at 7:16. All right. मिलते हैं ब्रेक के बाद. Yes, Garima, how should there be 7 factorial beta? Hello, hello. Garima. Acha, understood. Is it? Okay. What will cancel out? So have no 7 factorial. You have to write 8 only 2 times because r is given to you as 2. So whatever the value of r is given here, if it is 2, then you will open 8 2 times, 8 into 7. If this was 3, then you will open 8 3 times, 8 into 7 into 6. CSAT 2022, there were a lot of questions actually, and now you will see how simple the questions were. 2022, I'm talking about. How many 3-digit natural numbers without repetition of digits are there such that each digit is odd and the number is divisible by 5? First of all, you tell me odd digits. Which are the odd digits? Type. Odd digits. Type. Which are the odd digits? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So there are 5 odd digits. And you want the number to be divisible by 5, so that means 5 should be in the units place. All right, and you want a 3-digit number. So here you have to have 5. So you have only one number to choose from. Left over, there were 5 odd digits. We have used 1 digit here. So left over are 4. Without repetition, so you will use 1 here. So left over are 3. What? Simple, little star. Why should I wonder who you are? 0 is odd, Muskan. 0 is odd. Read the question carefully. Read the question carefully. Do I get a response from you, Muskan? That's the question. Oh, it is not odd, my dear. Okay. Odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Read this story. One non-zero digit. Stop. Non-zero digits are from which digit to which digit? Tell me. Non-zero digits are from which digit to which digit? 1 to 9. So there are 9 digits. One vowel. Stop. How many vowels are there? How many vowels are there? 5 vowels are there. And one consonant. Stop. How many consonants are there? How many consonants are there? 19 you are saying, huh? 26 you are saying. Are Baba, there are 26 letters in English alphabet, out of which 5 are vowels. And which are those? A, E, I, O, U. Very basic. All right. And rest 21 are consonants. All right. Are to be used in forming passwords. Again, a story. You have to make passwords such that each password has to start with a vowel. Start with a vowel. So obviously, 3 things are given to you: vowel, numbers 1 to 9, and consonants. And end with a consonant. So here you need a consonant. That's it. So to fill up this position, how many alternatives do we have? How many options do we have? We have 5 letters to choose from, either A, E, I, or O, or U. To fill up this position, we have 21 consonants. And obviously, what are we going to fill in here? 1 to 9. Okay. So 9 alternatives or 9 options we have to fill up here. So 5 into 9 into 21. So it is nothing but 45 into 21. So that is 45 twos are 900 plus 45. So 945. That's it. Got it? This is called simple symbol little star. So understood? Please tell me. Have you understood? Please tell me very fast. What's your response? Have you understood? Please tell me, beta. See, CSAT 2022 was comparatively an easier paper. 2023 was a shocker, no doubt. But we have to be prepared for a difficult paper. That's how it goes. Because if it is difficult, we should be in a position to solve. If it is easy, then anyhow we will solve. But we can't waste our one attempt, no. See, I told you, it was almost 10% of the people cleared CSAT 2023. So that means 90% people who might be very well prepared even with their GS, their attempt went for a toss because CSAT paper is checked first. If you have cleared the CSAT paper, then only your GS paper, that is paper 1, will be checked. Otherwise, it will not be checked. It is compulsory. Okay, it is a qualifying paper. Another question, CSAT 2022. Yes, Garvit couldn't clear GS but cleared the CSAT exam. I told you, no, it was easier last year, 2023. ABC are three places such that there are three different roads from A to B. From A to B, there are three different roads. Four different roads from B to C. From B to C, there are four different roads. And three different roads from A to C. So from A to C directly, you have three different roads. In how many ways, different ways can one travel from A to C using these roads? One way that you can travel from A to C is A to B to C. So A to B, three ways. B to C, four ways. So 3 into 4, 12 ways. Second is directly from A to C, which is three ways. So total 15 ways over and out. No, Samiksha, that is where you committed a mistake. Most of you got 36. And the reason is because you have multiplied 12 and 3. You were supposed to add 12 and 3, my dear. From A to C, you're going directly, no? So there are three ways only. Got it now? I don't know, Rishan Dondor. I'm leaving it to God. But I gave you the proof. That why is it that I'm not getting 100%? Yes, Muskan. Muskan, and others, please tell me, do you understand A to B and B to C are 3 and 4? 3 into 4, there are 12 different ways. Do you understand this, yes or no? Hi, Sandeep. This is your usual time of joining. Why, Akhilesh? Why? Okay, you want me to draw a diagram? Hey, Bhagwan, for this also, please notice. A to B, three different ways. B to C, four different ways. Huh? So how many ways in total? You want me to find this out? I will not find out all the ways, right? So this is, let us say 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, 5, 6, and this is 7. Let us say road number. So you can go from A to B via road number 1 or road number 2 or road number 3. So three ways. From B to C, you will go via 4 or 5 or 6 or 7. So four ways. So in total, you have 12 ways. And A to C directly, you have three ways given to you. So total 15 ways, no? Got it now? Okay, 1 hour early today, Sandeep. Lovely. You got it, Akhilesh? Got it, Muskan? At least give me a confirmation. Okay. Vivek says okay, so I get it okay. Muskan also says got, sir. So does Akhilesh. Wonderful. Now, see, this was the easiest question, and there were four different sets. As you know, there are four different sets of question papers of CSAT. Set A, set B, set B, set C, set D. Same is the case with GS. And all the four sets, this question was beyond 70, between 70 and 80 number of questions. That is hidden towards the last. So I pity those people who do not get two reviews of the paper. First review 1 to 80, then second review 1 to 80. This is how you should be attempting the paper. Okay. Now, what is the number of numbers of the form 0.xy? So just to confuse you, he has put 0 point. Huh? Where x and y are distinct non-zero digits. Non-zero digits are 1 to 9. Okay. Distinct means different. So to fill up this place, you have 9 digits to choose from. To fill up this place, you have 8 digits to choose from. Over, sir. 10 seconds, 15 seconds. 2.5 marks in pocket. Over and out. How we get 3? Rashida, that is by reading the question. Huh? 3 different roads from A to C. A to B. 3. Huh? 4 different roads from B to C. Read the question carefully, my dear. So, I hope you have understood this. Very easy. E-G you should say, Garvit. Wrong spellings. E and G. E-G. Repetition cannot be there, Karthik. Beta, listen to me. When you say distinct, it means different, which means no repetition. You got it? He is giving you 0.xy. So what is your problem? He might give you anything else also. He might give you 789.xy. How many different numbers can be formed? Still 72. This is fixed. Yes, EG. All right, sir. So we graduate on to CSAT 2023. Now listen to me very carefully. Very means very. ABCD is a square. Okay, sir. Here we go. Simple, little star. A, B, C, D. 1 point on each of AB and CD. All right, you have to take 1 point on AB and CD. Take it. 1 point on AB, 1 point on CD. And two distinct means different, points on each of BC and DA. So 2 points you want on BC. Let me take 2 points on BC and DA. Anywhere you can take. So these are chosen. How many distinct triangles? See, I made you solve this question. But he has told you a story. So when he attaches a story, you feel that the question has become difficult. No, sir. Please apply the basic fundamentals that you have learned, and that you can do only by believing in the concepts and yourself. So how many distinct triangles can be drawn using any 3 points as vertices out of these 6 points? So you have how many? 6 points. What do you want? Triangles means 3 points. Okay. So 6 into 5 into 4 by 3 into 2 into 1 cancels. 5 into 4 is 20. Over. Now this was one of the easiest questions in the paper. I would say this was not to be left out. But then people left it out. When I spoke with them, they said, sir, we found it, maybe it is a question based on mensuration. I had left mensuration. Array, it is not mensuration. And why did you do so? Because I read first, second line. That's it. I did not read the whole question. Got it? I didn't know permutation and combination. Okay, that is where. Namrata, beta, when you are forming triangles, when you are forming straight lines, they can be formed in any order. It is not that first I should form this triangle, then I should form this triangle. No, it is not like that. Triangles can be formed in any order. The order or sequence in which you have to choose these points has not been mentioned anywhere. Any 3 points can be chosen at any time. Okay, so the order is not mentioned. Are you clear, Namrata? So same answer, Vivek. 0.0 xy also same answer. 72. I just told you, Sundaresh. Order is not important. Then Vivek, we will have, if it is, Vivek is asking if it is 0.00 xyz. Answer. How many 3-digit numbers can be made? From 1 to 9 only you can use. Tell me. Answer, Ray. How many numbers can be formed? 9 into 8 into 7, my child. All right. So it is 9 into 8 sevens are 56. All right. That is 560 minus 56. Okay. It is 504. 654 via multiplying. Yogita, beta, there are 6 points. Point number 1, point number 2, point number 3. And he's saying using any 3 points as vertices out of these 6 points. So total number of points available to you are 6. To form a triangle, you will choose 3. So 6, 3, 3. Or have you joined late? That is why you are asking. 6, 3, 3 means 6 into 5 into 4 by 3 into 2 into 1. Now don't ask me how. If you want to ask, if you want to find out, watch the recording. No, Garvit, probability will be after this. All right, sir. Next question in CSAT 2023. Let's have a look. Now, once again, people got scared. How many distinct 8-digit numbers? Oh my God. Oh, very difficult. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do it in a fun way. You're getting too serious. That's why you are building up pressure in your mind, which is becoming a hurdle in your understanding and this question and taking the attempt also. So distinct 8-digit numbers can be formed by rearranging the digits of the number 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. 2 1s, 2 2s, 2 3s, 2 4s. Right? Such that odd digits occupy odd positions. Even digits occupy even positions. All right, positions, let us find out. First position, second position, third position, fourth position, fifth position, sixth position, seventh position, eighth position. Even position. Sorry. Odd position, odd position, odd position, odd position. Even, 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 even. All right. No. It is not 8 factorial by 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial, Kamlesh. That cannot be the thing, no? All right, guys, listen to me carefully. Which are the odd numbers available to you? Hey, type very fast. Use all the digits here. All right. Which are the odd digits available to you? No, it is not 1 and 3. It is 1, 1, 3, 3. There are 4 digits available to you. Yes, sir. So to fill up this position, you have 4 digits. Which are those? 1, 1, 3, and 3. Yes. Out of these four, you will use one of them. So to fill up this position, odd position only I'm talking about, you are left with 3 digits. Then to fill up this position, fifth position, you are left with 2 digits. And then finally, to fill up the seventh position, you have only 1 digit with you. Similarly, to fill up this even position, how many digits do you have? You have 4 digits. Which are those? Which are those? Which are the 4 digits? Absolutely, sir. 2244. So 4 to fill up this position, 3 to fill up this position, 2 to fill up this position, 1 to fill up this position. Got it? Now, if all would have been different, we know repetitions are there. We will deal with the repetitions later on. Okay. So 4 into 4 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 1 into 1. So finally, what do you get? You get 16. 4 fours are 16. 3 threes are 9. 2 twos are 4. 1 ones are 1. So why do we write it here? Come on. Okay. So 16 into 36. 16 6 are 96. 9 remains. 16 threes are 48. You don't even remember the table of 16 till now. 5 years later, you will try and memorize, right? 16 threes are 48 plus 9. 576. Okay. Now, out of these 576, you have 2 fours, 2 threes, 2 ones, and 2 twos. So that is 2 into 1 into 2 into 1. I mean, 2 into 1 is 2 only, no? So it is 576 now divided by 16. 2 twos are 4 twos are 8 twos are 16. So 16 threes are 48. So this is your answer. 57 minus 48 is 9, 96. So 16 6 are 96. Over. Tell me, Garvit. खांसी से लिया जीरा अजवाइन ब्लैक सॉल्ट का पावर बना के गर्म पानी के साथ खाना खाने के बाद ले लो. हाँ विजय, what I'll do is अदरक का रस, अदरक juice with a little bit of honey and black pepper. That really helps. So it has reduced. So it will reduce again. Thank you. मुस्कान मेरे बच्चे, there are 2 fours. ये तो 24 लग रहा है ना यार. There are 2 fours, 2 threes, 2 twos, and 2 ones. Repetition is there, no? For repetition, what do? You divide by 2 factorial because it has been repeated twice. If there were 3 fours, then you would have divided by 3 factorial because 4 is getting repeated. Okay? मुस्कान लेट आई है. नो गर्वित, नहीं गर्वित यार, क्या कर रहे हो? 2 factorial for 2 fours, 2 factorial for 3 fours, 2 threes, 2 factorial for 2 twos, 2 factorial for 2 ones. That's it. Yes, very much permutation and combination only, Femina. All right, look at this question. In how many ways can a batsman score exactly 25 runs? By scoring single runs, fours and sixes only, irrespective of the sequence of scoring shots. So he says irrespective of the sequence of scoring shots. So obviously it is not permutation as such. It is. But then listen to me carefully. Basically, he is asking you that in how many ways can you have the sum of numbers as 25, where the numbers are ones and sixes. Now somehow you add them and get me a total of 25. Okay. So let's have a look here. Ones, fours, and sixes. A little tedious, but very much achievable. All right. So can I do one thing? Can I have all 25 runs scored in singles? Yes. So the number of ways is only one. There's only one way of scoring 25 runs. Okay. As singles. Now let us start by hitting sixes. 1 6 is hit. So that means 6 runs here. How many remain? 25 minus 6, 19 runs remain. So all those 19 could be singles. So this is one way. All right, another way. 1 6 is hit. Remaining are 19 runs. Now you can hit 1 4 here. So 6 and 4 are 10. Now remaining 15 can be singles. Yes. So that is another one way. All right. So rather than doing this, now what I say is here, directly do it so that you can save some time. 1 6. Now how many fours can be hit along with sixes? You can hit 1 4. So that 6 plus 4 is 10. You can have hit 2 fours. So that 4 into 2 is 8 runs. 8 and 6 is 14. Rest 11 you will take as singles. You can hit 3 fours. 4 into 3 is 12. 12 and 6 is 18. So remaining 7 you will take as singles. Can you hit 4 fours? Yes. 4 fours are 16 and 6, 1 6 you have already hit. Okay. So 16 plus 6 is 22. 3 singles you can take. Can you hit 5 fours and 1 6? 5 fours will mean 20 runs. 1 6 will mean 20 plus 6, 26 runs. Can't. So here you have 4 ways. Get it? What if you hit 2 sixes? That means you have already scored 12 runs here. Now how many fours can you hit? How many fours can you hit? First, without fours. 12, so 13 runs you will score in singles. There is only one way. What if you hit 2 sixes, 12 runs along with fours? So you can hit 1 4. 12 plus 4 is 16. 25 minus 16 is 9. Rest are singles. So your total should not go beyond 25. No. You can hit 2 fours. That is 8 runs. 12 and 8 is 20. You can hit 3 fours. 3 fours are 12. 12 plus 12 is 24 plus 1 single. So there are 3 ways. What if you hit 3 sixes? That is 18 runs. Rest 7 could be singles. What if you hit 3 sixes? That is 18 runs. So this is one way. Okay. And you hit 1 4. So 18 plus 4 is 22. Rest 3 are singles here. Can you hit 2 fours? 2 fours will be 8 runs. 8 plus 18. मुश्किल हो जाएगा ना, है ना? So gone. So one way here. Now other way here could be, let us say 4 sixes. That is 24 runs you are hitting here and 1 single here. So another one way here. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 and 1, 12 and you have 13. So something we are missing here. Okay, only fours we are missing here. Okay, come here then. Ones, fours and sixes. Okay, now let us combine ones and fours. So sixes you are not hitting this time. So 1 4 you can hit. That means 4 runs here. 21 runs here. Okay, so only fours are hit and you are not hitting any 6. So that means you can hit 1 4, 2 4. This is 0 anyhow. 3 fours, 4 fours, 5 fours, and 6 fours. 6 fours are 24. The rest all are singles. So 6 ways we are getting here also, no? So let me just change the color. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 7, 8, 11, 12, 13, and 6, 19. Over. Is there any other way? Yes, sir. Muskan, there is no hit and trial. There is no hit and trial. You have to make various combinations of these three numbers, 1, 4, and 6, so that you get a total of 25. So these are the only ways in which you can do it. Yes, it is lengthy. Whenever it is not difficult, it is lengthy. That's the only thing. So almost every question, I mean, most of the questions in 2023 were lengthy. All right, sir, let's have a look at this. In an examination, now this also you will say is lengthy. Then which question will you attempt? Maximum marks for each of the 4 papers, namely PQRS, are 100. PQRS 100, 100, 100, 100. Marks scored by the students are in integers. A student can score 99% in n different ways. What is the value of n? Number of ways. So the student can score 99, 99, 99, 99. What is the total? 4 less than 400? 196. No? So you have to now find out various combinations of numbers. 4 numbers are to be used such that their total is 196. Okay. So find out various combinations. When I write combinations, it does not mean NCR. All right. Combinations of 4 numbers whose sum is 196. Oh, sorry, 396. My bad. So this is one way. 99, 99, 99, 99. Can I have 100, 100, 100, 97? Why 97? 96, no? So in how many ways can I arrange these 4 numbers? I can arrange these 4 numbers in 4 factorial ways. Are there any repetitions? Yes, sir. 100 is being repeated 3 times. So divided by 3 factorial. All right. So it is 4 into 3 factorial by 3 factorial. So there are 4 ways. Can we have something like 100, 100, 98, 98? That's all that we need to do here. Okay. So again, 4 factorial by 2 factorial for 200s, 2 factorial for 298s. All right. So 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 by 2 into 1. All right. Into 2 into 1. So 2 into 1 and 2 into 1 cancels. This 2 cancels this. Okay. So there are 6 ways. He could get 100 in any paper, no? He could get 100 in P or Q or R or S. It could happen in any ways. Okay. What else can I have? Can I have something with 97, please? Can't I have something like 100? See, 300s I have tried, 200s I have tried. Let me try 299s. All right. And I have a 98. Can I have this? So once again here, 4 factorial by 99 is repeating. So 2 factorial. So 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 by 2 into 1, this cancels. All right. So there are going to be 12 ways for this. Yes, sir. Correct, Garvit. So we can have something like 100, 100, 99 and 97. Yes, this you will have to try. Okay. So once again, 4 factorial by what is repeating? 100 is repeating here. So 2 factorial. This we have already found out. 4 3s are 12, no? So another 12 is here. Okay, 12 and 12, 24. 24 and 6, 30. And 4, 35. And 1, 35. Sorry, and 4, 34 and 1, 35. So you don't have any other choice which is greater than 35. 35 is maximum. So you don't have to try anything else. Anyhow, you don't have any other combination here. So maximum here is 35. आज मजा आ गया क्लास में. मेरा फेवरेट टॉपिक है भाई. भिड़ो. Vishal, what is the answer of previous question? 19, sir. Arey Musharraf, just add them, no? Add these numbers, no? Add these numbers. What is the total? 98 plus 99 plus 99. See, what I'm doing is 99, 99, 99, 99. I'm adding one here. Okay. Then I'm subtracting one here. I'm adding one here. So I'm subtracting another one here. Okay. I'm adding one here. I'm subtracting another one here. 99 minus 3 is 96. Okay. 99, you're adding one here. Okay. And you are subtracting one here. You're adding one here, you're subtracting one here. Like this, make the arrangements. 99 and 100, adding one. This 99 is same, 99 is same, so subtracting one. Here again adding one, again adding one, so subtracting one. Okay, and then you are subtracting 2 here. Is this clear? This is not minus 1, sorry. This is same. 99 is same, no? Okay, this is same. So plus 1 and minus 2. That's what you're doing. Just got it in front of you, Vivek. Everything is there in front of you. You can watch the recording. How 35 is what you're asking. Need I explain the question once again? Yaar, ye 99, 99, 99, 99 is 1. Add 1, subtract 1, subtract 1. This is what I'm doing. See, this plus 1, all are given here, no? Likewise, you form these arrangements, and here 4 numbers can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. Repetitions, you divide by repetitions. 2 factorial, 2 factorial here, 2 factorial and 2 factorial. Here 3 factorial because there are 300s. Okay, just go through this. Oh, thanks, Garvit. Thanks. Now look at this one. A flag has to be designed with 4 horizontal stripes. Arey, you have a flag with 4 horizontal stripes. We have a tricolor, no? But here we have a flag with 4 horizontal stripes. Like this. Using some or all of the colors, red, green, and yellow. How many colors are given to you? 3 colors. Red, green, yellow. Dirty fellow. Now, what is the number of different ways in which this can be done so that, now see this rule. The rule is no 2 adjacent stripes have the same color. So a color can be repeated, but no 2 adjacent sides have the same color. Okay. So give any color. All right, this is red. Okay, it can be green, it can be yellow also. So there are 3 ways of coloring this. If you're coloring this as red, then what is the other color? Let us say it is green. What colors remain? Red and yellow. So there are 2 ways of doing this. Either you will have green or yellow. Yes? All right, but you can't have red. You can't have red. So इससे confusion होगा. I'm taking one instance. So green or yellow. Now, what should be the color here? If this is green, it cannot be green. If this is yellow, it cannot be yellow. So this is either red or green. And if it is yellow, that is, and if it is green, I should write this as red or yellow, or it should be red and green, any one of these two. So again, you have two ways of coloring this. Okay. So again, let us say you have colored this red, then again you have green or yellow. So two ways of coloring this. So 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 is 6 into 4, which is 24. No, Ankita. Yes, Akshita. Yes, Devansh. Yes, Chituri. Don't color it red. What is there? That is what I'm saying. No, it is green or yellow. Then color it. See, at any given moment of time, once you have fixed, remember, if you have fixed the first color, let us say the first color is red. Okay. Then here you will have green, let us say, or you will have yellow. Now look at this one, red and green. Then what you can't have here is red. You can't have here is green. Okay, but you can have red or yellow. Okay. And then you can't have red or yellow, whatever is given here. So if you want me to write down all these things, it will be very difficult. But then, okay. So let's fix it. Let's start with red. Red is at the top. So the second has to be green or yellow. Third cannot be green. It can be red. All right. Or it can be red, green, yellow. Third here can be red. Or third here can be green. Okay. Now the fourth one here cannot be red. Okay. It will be green or yellow. The fourth one here cannot be yellow. So it is red or green. Okay. Now here you have red. So can't have red here. So it is green or yellow. Here you have green. So you can't have green. So red or yellow. So two ways, green or yellow. Two ways, two ways, two ways. So total 8 ways. 8 ways when topmost stripe is colored red. So similarly, if topmost is green, another 8 ways. Yellow, another 8 ways. 8 threes are 24. Got it? All right, lovely. Probability. So, sir, we have discussed questions from 2021 to 2022, 2023, 2018, and so on. So now I hope you have a good hand at permutation and combination. So try to solve maximum number of questions. Okay. Wherever you get stuck, look at the solution. It might be a new learning for you. Okay. But most importantly, please know number system, permutation and combination, divisibility rules. These were quite much in demand as far as 23 was concerned. But because there has been a lot of hue and cry, I suspect that questions would be asked to you from other topics as well this time. The number of questions from number system would reduce. Okay. So similar to 2022, I'm expecting. But worst case scenario, what if you have more number of questions on number system, permutation, combinations, divisibility rules, and so on? Then you should be prepared. So be prepared for the worst. Easy ones you will handle anyhow. Don't worry. No, Garvit, there is nothing much in probability. See, in probability, questions are asked on maybe cubes which are not asked. Coins, yes. Okay. Selections, yes. Probability questions are not asked on playing cards. That is being discouraged now. All right, because there are many households in which playing cards are not allowed. So there are so many, out of you also, there would be so many people who have never seen playing cards or who don't know anything about playing cards. All right, that is being discouraged also because. All right, so we will try to learn. If you want to learn cubes as it is, 1 to 6 digits are written on a cube. Okay, so what is the probability that you see a single number on top of a dice? Let us say if you toss a dice, obviously 1/6. So probability is damn simple. It says the chances of occurrence of an event out of total number of occurrences. So let us say I have a dice in my hand. It is called a die, actually, singular. What are the numbers engraved on a dice? There are 6 numbers, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ludo you play. Huh? So the total number of occurrences, or let us say total number of items available to you are 6. Which are those items? 1 to 6 number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is total. How many times do you see digit 1? Only once, no? There is only one digit. So the chances of getting digit 1 at the top is 1/6. Chances of getting digit 2 at the top is again 1/6. So any digit out of 1 to 6, if it has to appear on top face, front face, right face, left face, back face, and let us say the face which is below, it is only 1/6. Okay. All right. So we have a match tomorrow, India Sri Lanka, or is it today? Where is it? When is it? Tomorrow. All right. And total number of outcomes are 3. Which are those? Win, lose, and no result. No result means tie, no result means match washed off, whatever. Okay. So that is 3 outcomes. Now, what are the chances of winning the match? What are the chances of losing the match? What are the chances that there is no result? 33.33%, 1/3. Over. What are the chances I'm saying? Acha. Arey, you're taking it seriously, right? Dil pe mat le, bhai. Ashita is saying such chances of Virat Kohli's century. It's a very sensitive topic. Huh? Don't get into it. A coin is tossed or flipped. Now, you know that a coin has 2 sides to it. Heads or tails. That's it. So, what are the total occurrences or events? Total number of events are 2. Either head will happen or tail will happen. So, what is the probability of obtaining a head? What? What is the probability of obtaining a tail? What? Did I mark the answer? Did you get it? Did you get it? Bas, this is probability. Don't worry. From here, I'll take you to the questions. Don't worry. Don't worry. Until now, not even a single question has appeared on probability. So don't worry. But then we still have to be prepared. Many a times we found out that new questions have been introduced. And I'm expecting a question on 3 coins, 97%. Lovely. Tell me this one. 2 coins are tossed. What is the probability of obtaining? First of all, 2 coins are tossed. Then this is what we will get. Head, 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 tail, tail, head, tail, tail. All right. So 4 events or 4 occurrences are there in total. Now you watch these occurrences. He wants 1 head and 1 tail. In how many occurrences do you have a head and a tail? Only 2. So what shall be the probability? 2 by 4. Over and out. What? Got it? Tell me this one. 2 heads. Okay, I'll give you a poll. Let me see now. 2 heads. What is the probability of obtaining 2 heads? अरे यार शुभ शुभ बोल यार विवेक. You want a shrapam? Huh? Dare you say that? Be a sacha deshbhakt. 66%. Oh my god. Beta, these are basically 4 outcomes total. So bottom denominator you'll get 4. 2 heads. How many times do you see 2 heads? Only once. So 1 by 4. 2 tails. देखो अभी you should know the answer, but still I'm sure अभी भी गड़बड़ करोगे. Now everyone observe. What answer are we getting? Yes, Vivek, they are by default they are there actually. The blessings are there. 86%, still 14% didn't get it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 comes in the denominator. Tails, 2 tails is happening only once. 3 coins I'm tossing. Now watch it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whatever question he asks you, 8 is going to be in the denominator. That is the total number of occurrences. And what are those? Head, 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 tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, head, tail, 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 head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, tail. What? One head. On how many occasions or how many instances do you see one head? Hair, hair, hair. So there are 3 such occasions. Got it? Did you understand? Please, please, please tell me. Kindly reply. Please respond. I'm giving you a poll very fast so that we know where we are going, beta. No bias theorem. No way. Arey, CSAT does not 96%. Arey, chha gaye bhai. So CSAT does not test you on being, or CSAT does not require you to be, an expert in mathematics or to be a mathematician. But how logically, you use the principles of arithmetic, that is what is being tested. चलो इसका भी बता दो फिर. One head you told me. Now tell me for one tail also. One head you have told me. Tell me for a tail also. Hariyappa, Hariyappa. No, Muskan. It won't go beyond 3. Don't worry. 87% got it correct. Total are 8. One tail. 1, 2, 3. Only in 3 instances. Same. One head is 3 by 8. One tail will also be 3 by 8. 2 heads. Where do you see 2 heads? 1, 2, 3. Total 8 events. How many events have 2 heads? Now, even after marking this, let me see how many of you get your answer correct. Because you're looking here and there. You're not listening to me. Mark your answer. Come on. %92. Much better. Beta, this 3 you had to bring here. That's all. There are 3, simply 3 occasions in which you get 2 heads. All right. So choice D. So two tails, tell me. Now this time I'm not going to point out anything and let me ask you. Wait, Santosh, wait. 92% again. Obviously, beta, two tails are occurring here. Here. Oh, Anti Ramarao. ಕಾದಲು ರೋಜಾವೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ನೀ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬಡಿ ಥೊಡಿದೆ ಕಣ್ಣಿ ಕನ್ನಡಲ್ಲಿ ನೀದಾನ್ ಕನ್ಮುದ್ರ ನೀದಾನ್ ಕನ್ಮುದ್ರ ಪಾಟಾಲ್ ನಿಂಚು ಕೊಡು ನೀದಾನ್ ಏನಾನದೋ ಏದಾನದೋ ಸೊಲ್ಲ ಸೊಲ್ಲ alright so three places here Tamil I was speaking now three heads occurs only once out of total 8 what should be your answer tell me no I'm not giving shrapam I was singing a song of Rosa I was not even singing I was just reciting Roja 93% Arey Baba abhi bhi one only no once only you're getting 3H no it can't get easier than this my child three tails no more tell me your answer now you should get it otherwise a shrapam is approaching you beware of the shrapam answer ಮಾಡಿ 96% 92% has now increased to 96% fear of shrapam so only once out of 8 occasions correct all right now let's talk about selections now this is to be very carefully it's very simple in a class of students there are 10 boys and 15 girls okay 3 students are chosen at random so what is the probability of selecting one boy and 2 girls tell me in how many ways one boy can be selected in how many ways one boy can be selected correct 10C1 correct sir into in how many ways 2 girls can be selected out of 15 girls in how many ways 2 girls can be selected out of 15 girls perfect and in total these are 25 students so out of these 25 in how many ways 3 students will be selected 25C3 that's it this is your probability rest all are calculations okay so let me just shift it here so that I get more space just wait for 5 seconds 10C1 into 15C2 by 25C3 so what do I get here is a 10C1 is a 10 into 15C2 15 into 14 by 2 into 1 by 25C3 25 into 24 into 23 by 3 into 2 into 1 okay do your cuttings now this is 7 all right 3 2s are 6 6 4s are 24 so what you have here is 10 into 15 into 7 by 25 into 4 into 23 we can still do some cuttings here can't we 5 3s are 5 5s are 5 2s are So 2 into 3, 2 also I can cut. 2 remains here. So, hold it. 3 into 7 by 2 into 23, which is clearly 21 by 46. Yes, you got it now. All right. There are 3 red balls, 4 green balls, and 5 blue balls. So total 3 plus 4 plus 5, you have 10 balls. Okay. In how many ways can you select? In how many ways can you select? In how many ways? These are all lying in a box. So in how many ways can you select one red ball? So first you will find out the number of ways in which you can select one red ball out of 3 red balls. That is 3C1 divided by one ball, because you're selecting only one ball out of a total of 12 balls. So this is 3 by 12, that is 1 by 4. Perfect. Now tell me, in how many ways can you select one red and one green? One red out of 3 can be selected in 3C1. Okay. One green can be selected out of 4 greens in 4C1 ways. And out of these 12 balls, you are selecting one red and one green, that is 2 balls. Okay. So this is 3 into 4 by 12 into 11 by 2, 6, 2s are 12, 2 by 11. All right, now I don't want this, I just want this. One red, one green, one blue. Tell me. One red, 3C1. One green, 4C1. One blue, 5C1. Selecting 3 out of 12. So by 12C3. So 2 red. Okay. Let me make a different question. One red, 2 green, 3 blue. How will you find out? One red, 3C1. Out of 3, 1 red ball. Green balls are 4, out of which you will select 2 greens. Blue balls are 5, out of which you will select 3. Total number of balls is 12, out of which you are selecting 1 plus 2 plus 3, total 6 balls. So it is going to be 3C1 into 4C2 into 5C3 by 12C6. That's it. This is what we have in probability. That's it. Very, very simple actually. Correct. Are you understanding this? Please tell me. Whatever you don't understand, beta, please, you anyhow should watch the recording. That is a must. That is why we are giving you this provision, so that you can reinstate or register the concepts properly into your mind. You can hammer them, you know. That's why we are providing you. We have this provision. Okay. Point 4. Yes, Vivek, please tell me. One red, 2 green, 3 blue. One red out of 3. 2 green out of 4. 3 blue out of 5. Total number of balls 12, out of which we are selecting 6. 1 plus 2 plus 3 रहे. Got it? No, I'm not doing any calculation. I'm just giving you the format here. Okay, no sigma rule here. All right, sir. I'll give you a start here. Whatever remains, we will complete tomorrow. Do you have any happy? Yes, happy Kannada Rajotsava to you also, Chandrasekhar, because today happens to be Karnataka Day. So to all my Kannada friends, happy Karnataka Day. This is not problem of aging. It is problem on ages. Acha, you don't have any seminar or something, no? Can I take 5 minutes extra today? 5-10 minutes extra today? Can I take 5-10 minutes extra today? This is a very easy topic. I want to get rid of it actually. Why to carry it for tomorrow? All right. The present age, let us say the present age of Mr. X is X years. So after 5 years, or look at the language, 5 years hence means after 5 years, or 5 years later means after 5 years. What will be his age? X, present age, plus 5 years. What is your age at present? Let us say 20 years. After 5 years, it will be 20 plus 5, 25 years. 5 years ago, or 5 years before, his age would have been X minus 5 years. If you are 20 years old, 5 years before, your age would have been 20 minus 5, that is 15 years. Very simple, right? What is there in it? Now, see, it is all about transforming the statement into arithmetic form. That is in form of equations. So here, you will find that you will have to solve equations. Now, see, 5 years ago, we have two guys, X and Y. Okay. So 5 years ago, age of X was X minus 5. Age of Y was Y minus 5. Some distance I have here. But age of X was thrice the age of Y. This is how you form equation. All right. Now, try it here. After 5 years, X and Y, their ages are going to be respectively X plus 5 and Y plus 5. What is the relation that is going to be there after 5 years? X ki age of X will be twice the age of Y. Over. So you form this equation, job done. Open it. All right. See, listen to me carefully. Read the things carefully. 10 years ago, so minus 10 will come. A's age and B's age. So A's age 10 years ago was A minus 10. B's age 10 years ago was B minus 10. So this is the first thing that you will do. All right, then apply the remaining part of the statement. A's age was half the age of B's age. So it was half the age of B's age. Stop here. First, form an equation out of this. Okay. So this shall become 2 into A minus 10, which is equal to B minus 10. 2A minus 20 is equal to B minus 10. B comes here. So 2A minus B is equal to minus 10 plus 20. So it will become 10. So you have one equation here. Now read on. If the ratio between their present ages is 3:4 respectively, so that is what is given to you is A is to B is equal to 3:4, the ratio. So which means A by B is equal to 3 by 4. You know this. What is it we have to find out? Sum of their ages after 10 years. So what we will do is we will take A as 3 by 4 of B. And we will substitute this value in this equation. Then what shall we get? We should get 2A. A is what? 3 by 4B minus B is equal to 10. All right. 2 cancels. So 3 by 2B. 3 by 2 is how much? 1.5. Minus B is equal to 10. So 3 by 2B minus B, 1.5B minus half B is 1b. 1.5 minus half. 1.5 minus 1 is half b. So you have a b by 2 is equal to 10. So the age of b is 20 years. What shall be the age of a? 3 by 4 of b. That is 3 by 4 into 20. Cancels. Age is 15 years. So after 10 years, a will be 15 plus 10, that is 25. B will be 20 plus 10 because he wants after 10 years sum of their ages. It is 30, and 25 plus 30 nowadays is 55, which is the latest. Acha, Ruhan is telling me it is AP day also, Andhra Pradesh day also. So to all my friends there in our AP, all right, happy AP day, happy AP day, happy AP day, happy AP day. Acha, MP day also, happy MP day, happy MP day. Chhattisgarh day also, happy Chhattisgarh day, happy day, happy day. Haryana also, okay, happy Haryana day. अबे सभी एक दिन बने थे क्या? हाँ? चलो मुन्ना. 8 years back, something happened. Rohan's age. Okay, what was Rohan's age 8 years back? R minus 8 was 4 times the age of his son. Let the age of his son be X. So 10 years, 8 years back, the age of son must have been X minus 8. Open this first. R minus 8 is equal to 4X minus 32. R minus 4X is equal to minus 32 plus 8 is minus 24. One equation. 8 years hence, that is after 8 years, Rohan's age is going to be R plus 8, and it will become 2 times the age of his son. His son's age will also increase by 8 years. Open this. R plus 8 is equal to 2x plus 16. So R minus 2x is equal to 8. You have two equations. What, right? Find out the present age of Rohan. Okay, let's do that. So R minus 4x is equal to minus 24. R minus 2x is equal to 8. Okay, so subtract. All right, so RR cancels. So minus 4x plus 2x. Minus 2x. Minus 24 minus 8. Minus 32. So x here is going to be 16. If x is 16, substitute in anyone, here or there, whichever way you want. So R minus 2x is equal to 8. R minus 2 into 16 is equal to 8. R minus 32 is equal to 8. R here is 8 plus 32. R here is 40. I have to write all the steps. Otherwise, better you work out these steps in your mind itself. Okay. This is a question based on current affairs, general knowledge. Read it carefully. Katrina is younger than Salman by the same number of years as the number of years that Katrina is elder than Vicky. I don't know who are these. I mean, Katrina, Salman, Vicky. Just like that, I have put the names actually. All right. Okay. Good night, Musharraf. All right. Good night, Akhilesh. There were 3 more questions. If at all you can wait, we will be finishing it off. Another 7 minutes I need. So if you can stay back, that will be great. All right, Musharraf, you also. Great. So Katrina is younger than Salman. So difference of their age will be elder minus younger. So Salman minus Katrina. And Katrina is younger than Salman by same number of years. So equal to number of years that Katrina is elder than Vicky. So whatever is the difference between Salman and Katrina, age, same is the difference between Katrina and Vicky's age. So S minus K is K minus V over. So this basically gives you 2K is equal to S plus V. Very simple question. If the sum of the ages of Salman and Vicky is 48, so this is what? 48. Find out the age of Katrina. So 2K is equal to 48. Katrina is 24. Blatant lie. These actresses never grow up, is it? Achha, we can take the help of Google, huh? Is it? Okay. Sandeep, great. See, Mohan's age is thrice the sum of ages of his two children. Who are the two children? Okay, A and B. You don't know anything, put A, B, X, Y, whatever you want. But Mohan's age is 3 times the sum of ages of his two children. This is about their present ages. After 5 years, what will be the age of Mohan? M plus 5. His age will become twice the sum of ages of his two children. Now, see here. After 5 years, what will be the age of A? A plus 5. B will become B plus 5. So total will be A plus 5 plus B plus 5 will be A plus B plus 10. So twice of A plus B plus 10. That's it. What is there? You already know M is 3 times A plus B. No, substitute that value here. Oh. So 3 times A plus B plus 5 is equal to 2 times A plus B plus 2 into 10, 20. So 3AB, 3A plus B and 2A plus B cancel. So we have only A plus B. And 20 from 25 goes. So you have 15. Find out the present age of Mohan. Okay, so substitute this value here in this equation. Okay, what will we get? M is equal to 3 times A plus B is equal to 3 times 15. So you have 45. Simple. 2 more questions. Hey, Garvit, Mary, what? Garvit is asking me, Mary's mother had four kids. April, May, June. What was the name of her 4th child? July, huh? Mary's mother. So 4th child is Mary only. What, Garvit? You're asking me such. See, Verinder is saying July. After 15 years, age of Raj. Okay, after 15 years, age of Raj will be R plus 15. Right? Will become 5 times his age. 5 times his age. 5 years ago. 5 years ago, what was his age? Over. There is only one variable, R. Only thing that you have to learn is form the equation. Okay, so let's open this up, sir. R plus 15 is 5R minus 25. So you have 4R is equal to 40. So R is equal to 10. Now what is, find out the age of Raj after 5 years. So 10 plus 5, it should be 15. Yes, these still prevail. I can tell you something, I will do that tomorrow or day after. Tomorrow or maybe, next time I have a class. I think I might take tomorrow had to be the last class, but I think maybe I'll take another 1.5 hours later on. So if you want, I'll give you some questions on IQ also. Okay. Last question. This I'll do tomorrow. And this question appeared in 2019. So just be a little bit wary of this. In 2002, Meenu's age was 1/3 of the age of Meera. In 2010, Meenu's age, hold on, 2002 to 2010, 8 years we have gone forward. So Meenu's age would also, she would have become elder by 8 years. So Meenu's age, when he says, it has to be Meenu plus 8. Please remember this. It was half the age of Meera. So Meera also has grown old by 8 more years. Okay. What is Meenu's year of birth? So what you have to do is, you have this information, Meenu, put it here. So what do you get? Meera by 3. See, 1 by 3 Meera is Meera by 3. Okay. Plus 8 is equal to Meera by 2. Okay. And this is what? Half of 8. That is 4. So Meera by 3 minus, sorry. The other way around actually. Meera by 2 minus Meera by 3 should be equal to 8 minus 4, that is 4. Last question. So hold on. So 3 Meera minus 2 Meera. All right, so that is Meera. So Meera by 6, okay, should be equal to 4. So Meera's present age is 24. Meenu's year of birth we want. Now also, Meenu is 1/3 of Meera's age, that is 24. So she's 8 years old. When? In 2002. So in 2002, she's 8 years old. Okay. So date of birth will be 2002 minus 8. That is 1994. Such a simple question was asked in CSAT 2019. You get this? EG. All right, sir. Great. So we are left with only a small topic which has 3 questions, but never mind. I'll carry it over for tomorrow. All right. So wish you people all the best. Enjoy your state day, whichever state you belong to. It doesn't matter, but at the end of the day, you are an Indian. All right. Okay. And you're going to be an officer soon. Lovely. So, good night, sweet dreams. Please revise. May God bless you always. This is Kapil Dutt signing off. Take care.